Yttria-stabilized zirconia beads YTSBSB. Widely used in chemical industry as grinding media. In industries such as food, medicine, new energy and nanomaterials. Play the role of grinding and dispersing. The quality of zirconia beads will directly affect the grinding effect. How should we judge the quality of zirconia beads? Mainly by testing product density, size distribution, sphericity, hardness, impact resistance. Wait for the data to judge. Next we'll go through a series of videos to demonstrate the process. Today we start doing this density test. Please follow our VIA to show it. The equipment. This is our precision scale. This is a beaker and water. This is a pycnometer. This is our sample, 95 zirconia beads. This is the sampling tray. Okay, now we start testing. Let's start by weighing the bead in air. Place the sampling tray on the scale first, then reset the scale to 0, and then pour the zirconia bead sample. The bead weighs 11.147 grams m1. We weigh the bottle full of water. Fill the pycnometer with water first. Lower the cap from the mouth of the bottle to cover it. Then wipe off the overflowing water from the bottle. And then weigh it. The bottle weighs 43.616 grams m2 when filled with water. Then weigh the bottle plus water plus beads. Put the zirconia beads into the pycnometer with a funnel and fill the bottle with water. Similarly, let the bottle cap fall naturally from the mouth of the bottle. Then wipe up the spilled water and weigh it. Count 53.086 grams m3. Finally, let's calculate the test results. Density is 6.07 grams per cubic centimeter. Meet the quality standard 6.001 grams per cubic centimeter. The density of zirconia beads, indirect reactive material and degree of sintering. Only qualified zirconia beads can be sent to customers.